Hey, I'm Luke, and I'm going to show you how to install cliclick or Command Line Interface Click. It's a tool that I use a lot in other videos, so I'll show you how to set it up and set the security preferences so you'll be good to go. Let's get started. I'll open up Terminal, and with brew installed, if you need to know how to do that, there's another video. I'll type brew install cliclick. It shouldn't take too long to install. Once it's done, we'll need to update the security privileges for Terminal so it can click on stuff. I'll show you how to do that now. Open up System Preferences, go to Security, Accessibility, click the lock icon, enter your administrator password, click the plus sign, search for terminal.app, select Terminal, push Open. Once you've done that, you can close out System Preferences, Command Q. And then let's do a test in Terminal to see if cliclick is working. I'll type cliclick C:0,0, which basically just means click on the XY coordinate 0, 0. There, it works. You should be good to go.